Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Kokomi Women Wing, called on the government to suspend police personnel involved in the reported killing of a village volunteer. They also urged to release the 6 village volunteers unconditionally. The statement was made at a press conference held at Kokomi office at Lamphel today. Speaking to media, Kokomi Women Wing coordinator Y. Lema strongly condemned the reported killing of a village volunteer by police on December 14, while urging for the immediate suspension of those involved police personnel. She also warned that the Women Wing will stand against the government if the government fails to release 6 village volunteers within 24 hours' time. Speaking further, Lema highlighted that the ongoing conflict in the state has persisted for almost 2 years, while emphasizing that the volunteers have been safeguarding the state during the conflict. She criticized the state force for attacking and reportedly killing a village volunteer amid the rising tension in the state, while failing to act against Kuki militants' aggression.
State Police na asukoy ba mertang ahum dagi yakna ba kuki hat ki balete kuki na State Police khangde ima leibak ta leiba misam khangde hat na bato ko ta khunga pa isa singna ngasi leibak ka lagalai aduga commander amana pharaga maral leijata ba isa khunga pa yamna nojari ba chahi tarani panda ngai ba anga gari manungda pharaga gari kanna thawi haidana phumaga hat pa ngang du dagi jobal la horaga khunga pa krai lei haraga nam phaba angang taruk amasung commando da State Police da khutar kadaba puna maksud kun nga pa angang nga sibaw kalagalay aduna state government na athuba matamda khaliba commando dismiss tawada ba mapunchige miya mamangda putho aga I machengi marakta put thabagi damakta asowa dandi pibada manipumyan su yawgani state government na khutak rapitar gadi akoi khongjang kaya changsalkani maralay taba angang taru first day da infan thana da lei ba sa khutak ta thaduk tabatar gadi Pung marigi manung da tadok dokta gadi akoy tumoy saroy commando officer kutak na pao natraga koy miyam da puto natraga di akoy khongjang kaya changsala kani kun nga pa angang matang par pajar gadi akoy nupi miyam thang pairaga sorok ta sanga aga state government nga thengnera kani